Good morning, everyone. Uh, nasscom, first of all, yeah, thanks for giving us this opportunity. So, myself, I'm Santosh Thota. I'm a second-time entrepreneur. Uh, I'm a techie guy. I did master's in IT Guwahati, worked in Arc, started my first startup, which is into chatbots. Ran it for 7 years and got it acquired by a US company. And then I started my second company. This is into primarily a video technology company where we started with our first product called Interactly.video, which is creating interactions on top of video. On top of it, we built a first product, which is Personaliz.ai. So what we have a capability is to clone any speaker's voice and lip movements and able to generate personalized videos at scale. Uh, Okay, so how does it work? So typically, let's say when you're running a email campaign or a bulk SMS campaign, bulk email campaign, what you do, you write one email and then you keep the dynamic parameters like their name, company name, etc. And then you change it for every contact, right? Exactly what we can do at Personalize.ai with respect to video. So you record one video and you tell us where the dynamic parameters to be changed. It could be person's name, company's name, so on and so forth. And we generate those millions of videos at scale, without any other manual effort, right? So what could be the use cases for, say, for example, B2B? So a CEO wants to send out to all the employees wishes, festival wishes, right? So they can record one video and then just give us that video, and we clone their voice and lip movements and able to generate personalized videos to all those employees. So this is, so first I want you to experience this live demo. So what I want you to do is just go to personalize.ai. I hope you can read that. Personalize, there's no E at the end, .ai. Just scroll down a bit. You could see it in action. So you can just enter your own name so that you see the magic out there. So that's, you can try it in the meantime. And we'll switch to the deck. I'm sorry? This, no. This is the clip. Okay, okay. So hope you guys can see that, right? Personalize.ai, you just scroll down and just enter your details. You would see the personalized video that is meant for you with all the details given will start rendering. Okay, so so that's what we do, personalized videos at scale. So what problem that we are trying to solve, right? So typically, majorly for the brands or whoever want to target their end customers, nowadays getting the attention is very tough, right? Especially the D2C brands, B2C brands as well, where consumers are, consuming GBs of data, internet data online, and everybody is, running ads and all. So how do you bring that attention and then give them a personalized connection and then build the trust and build the loyalty is the major challenges for any D2C brands. So that's what we looked into the market, and we found personalized messaging is the way to go to solve this problem, and where business has already seen uplift in terms of engagement rates and conversion rates. So that's exactly what our solution brings in, where personalized videos will give you more attention and unique way of connecting, where you will build trust because it's a one-to-one, as if you are actually speaking to the end user, and then it's a with their own personal data. So not just name, you can add more of data points that are actually reflect to the end user, so that they connect personally. And since it's a video that we are talking about, it has the highest attention span compared to any other content type. Text, images, you take it, so video has that edge. That's exactly what we are doing. So as a technology, what we have capabilities, we can able to clone any speaker's voice and lip movements, as well as not just the name part, as I mentioned. So we can also show a dynamic text as part of the video. Images also can be part of the video itself. Take an example of e-commerce, right? Everybody, every end user can get a different product recommendations based on their persona, right? That's exactly what we do. And let's look at some of the use cases, how a D2C brand like a Lenskart can use this. So this is, again, our perspective. So for example, you buy you purchase a goggle at Lenskart. Imagine you are getting a personalized video from a founder saying, hey, Santosh, thanks for your purchase. Welcome to Lenskart family. We're already solving millions of customers, and this is our brand story. That's exactly where we connect a brand to the end user, which is missing today, right? A personal connection is what we're going to help them with. And any festival offers. What right now happening is a generic offers, generic text messages, images are being sent across all the same customers. Where we are saying is you send a personalized video messages which reflect the user is where you see increase in terms of engagement rates. And special days, like you want to bring that collection so deep so that you wish them on special days, you wish them if they have a birthday data with you, and upselling, cross-selling, of course, but the membership plans that you can upsell, and especially the customer feedback. At the end of the service, you can ask them for a personalized video as a ask for the customer feedback. Typically, insurance, right? So, if a brand has a brand ambassador, and there's nothing like it. Imagine you purchase a insurance from, let's say, Digit. Imagine you get an immediate video from their brand ambassador, Kohli, saying, hey, Santosh, thanks for the purchase, and this is what our brand story, and welcome to the family, right? That's a next level experience. That's what we're going to bring in. And similarly, the festival offers. And for insurance, the use cases, the important use cases like renewal reminders, they can send personalized renewal reminders. Upselling, cross-selling. Let's say you buy a motor insurance. They can upsell for a health insurance, right? And then, of course, the customer feedback at the end. Even a typical real estate brand can also leverage this technology. So as soon as the lead generated, so the real estate, everything works on trust, right? So how do you build that trust from the lead generated to till the closure is very important. Imagine there is a My Home, a founder, and you just given their your lead details on their website. Imagine you get an immediate WhatsApp message from the founder saying, personally talking to you, say, hey, Santosh, thanks for your query, and we are already served. We have decades of experience in the project, and this is our most trustworthy project, right? That kind of an explanation, that kind of a interaction can happen with this technology, right? And again, the use cases could be festival offers, on purchase thank you notes. Even you can invite the people. So there is event going on, there is a launch going on. So you can invite the people also personally for all their existing customers, right? And of course, the customer feedback.
Hi, Daman. It gives me great pleasure to invite you and the family for Colt India Family Day 2024.
This is one of our customers where we help them.
On 9th of November in Gurgaon.
So he is, CEO of the company, and then he kind of invited all his employees to, the company corporate event. That's one demo.
Hi, Santosh.
And it could be an AI avatar also, of course, right? We do have a couple of avatars where you can actually, instead of a human, you can actually use an avatar where you can create those personalized videos, and let's say natural can use like this. And this is for e-commerce, for example.
Thank you for being a valued customer at the giving moment. We care about you and your interests. Here are some top personalized recommendations just for you, along with an exclusive discount coupon. Avail this special offer now.
Right, that's a personalized recommendation. So those images are only sent for a particular user based on their persona. And this is a live video.
Dear Samira Hussain, thank you for choosing Wataniya Takaful. Your motor Takaful
so if you see that date, policy expiry date, that's meant for them, right? So that's a reminder video. This is live video that we are already working with, insurance companies in Middle East, and they started with 3 touch points where like renewal reminders and policy, acknowledgement. They now increase it to 20 touch points where they are even sending a birthday wishes to their employees, and they are converting from that birthday wishes to a lead. So this is one of them, as I mentioned. So Afnic is another customer. Let's say it cannot be a rendered video. So you can send this kind of a message on WhatsApp with a play video as an option. Once they click on it, it will redirect them to a browser-based video. Once that video plays, the beauty is that, as I mentioned, we have the first product, which is interactive.video. So we leverage that technology where options can also show on top of the video itself, where, okay, which insurance policy are you interested in? And this need not be end up with one video. It's a series of video you can connect with the interactions, where you can, as if like we are speaking asynchronously, you can create that flow, engage the user, and then educate them and convert them easily. So that's the power of this platform. So how does work? Typically, you upload one video and series of contacts, and you can generate personalized videos at scale using those options. And we also take care of the distribution. So we have integrations with WhatsApp, whatever the channel that you want. Like you want to do it an email or Instagram. Also, we have integration. And typically, it could be a one-time campaign that you want to do, let's say in case of festival offers, in case of event invitations, etc. Or it could be tightly integrated with your integrated systems through simple webhooks, where it could be event basis. Let's say as soon as a employee onboards, you want to send them a personalized video from the CEO. Right? So you can integrate that into your system, and then we can automate that workflow also. So even including CRM. So as soon as a new customer contact created in the CRM, you want the intro video to be sent, a personalized intro video, right? We can tightly integrate that as well. So yeah, I think the future is now. Personalization is all possible with all the Gen AI technology. So so do let us know if any interesting use cases. We are happy to take it forward. So yeah, thanks for this opportunity, nasscom, and yeah, lovely audience. Yeah. Any questions? Yeah. Yeah, very good question. So Heijen, yeah, obviously everybody is trying to solve the similar problem, where Heijen is talking about cloning your complete avatar. Right? So where we are talking about is, obviously when you clone the entire avatar, they have a limitations, like you can't have two people in the video itself. You have to have only one people, and you can't have a graphics and all in the generating video. What we are differentiating is that we only change the dynamic part. We'll keep the original part as it is. Because obviously when you generate AI, the experience is obviously a little different. But when it comes to personalization, only 80% the generic video will be there. Only 20% is the personalization, where we are keeping the originality. So the end user experience will be far better. And of course, the cost wise, we are far lesser than them, of course, yeah. So that's how we are different. Yeah, of course, yes. Any language we can do. Yeah. Thank you all.